now I'm still walking. I gotta go furthermore, get the stuff in the bag and get going. Get back to the train. So I'm all decided to get back home and cook some food or something because I'm hungry. And it's on morning. But this is just business, and while I get this call, I gotta get it right away. That's very important. But in the city, always busy. It's Christmas. Everyone is shopping. Everyone is trying to get money to buy gifts for their family. You know, some people walking around looking for something to steal because it's a holiday, and the thieves are also out, not just the people who are shopping. There's thieves out there too now. So I'm walking the city right now, and I'm walking up further some more, and I'm just catching bits and pieces of the city and what is going on here. Today's a nice day. Most of the time here we're full of places they're selling food, but today they're not out today. And you can always sit here if you want to and eat something or talk with somebody. You could just always a little park. I think they should have better chairs than this, but this is what they do. Kind of cute little color chair. They could pack them up and go, and so on. And we're actually in the city. Over there, you have J.C. Penney. Get it Old Works over there. Get the Old Works. J.C. Penney across the street over there. And I'm trying to get ahead. I usually stop up the road and I get some cornbread. This place they got some good cornbread, corn muffin. So I usually stop up there and get at least 2 corn muffin, but I want to pick up what I gotta get first before I pick up any corn muffin. So basically, it's a nice day. It's not really too cold or anything like that. You know, it's a beautiful day. You know, smell like Christmas. God bless the ones who have, and God bless the ones that don't have. You know, just showing love. Having a big house for Christmas, or having an expensive car for Christmas, and having millions of dollars for Christmas. If you don't have a good heart, it doesn't make sense. Just waste of your time. So don't worry about the ones who have millions of dollars and millions of stuff and you don't have. As long as you have a good heart and you believe into God, who's the higher power, to protect you and to guide you, you will go through safely and not worry about the things of the hurt and let it be stress you out because you do not have to buy vanity for Christmas. You can find food, you can take a shower, you have a roof over your head. That's enough Christmas. You should gladly have and appreciate. So God be with you and your family until I catch back with you again.